Crocodiles, ancient reptiles, are stealthy predators with incredible adaptations. Their streamlined bodies, powerful jaws, and sharp teeth make them apex predators in aquatic ecosystems. Renowned for the death roll, crocodiles use a spinning motion to subdue prey. Mother crocodiles are devoted parents, guarding nests and carrying hatchlings in their mouths. Incredibly resilient, crocodiles can survive without food for months. Crocodiles possess a unique gland, the salt gland, located near their eyes, allowing them to excrete excess salt. This adaptation is crucial for surviving in both saltwater and freshwater habitats. By expelling excess salt through their tears, crocodiles maintain the balance of salt in their bodies.